facing the police every single day.
Judge to make decision in Walker grand jury case by February 28. Attorney, Walker's death was miscarriage of justice by Frank Diffury. Staff writer. The grand jury in Matthew Walker's homicide investigation could have its proceedings unsealed later this month. Attorneys for Amira Fox and Christopher Crowley appeared before a judge Thursday, sparring over whether disclosure or discretion should prevail. Fox is the state attorney for the 20th Judicial Circuit. Crowley ran for that job in 2018. Circuit Judge Lisa Porter promised to have a ruling by February 28. Walker, a Charlotte Correctional Institution inmate, died in 2014 after several corrections officers initiated force against him. Subsequent reports deemed his death a homicide. Colleen McAllister, representing Crowley, referred to the failure of a 2015 grand jury to indict anyone in Walker's death as a miscarriage of justice. "I think the reason we are here today is to get to the truth of the matter," she said. Crowley, a Fort Myers attorney, sought to oust Fox as state attorney of the 20th Circuit in the 2018 election. During his campaign, he referred to allegations by a grand juror that prosecutors, overseen by Fox, had intentionally argued against indicting any corrections officers involved in Walker's death. Crowley was later found by the Florida Bar Association to have unreasonably relied on allegations about the Walker grand jury to impugn Fox. To remedy that, Crowley sought to publicize the records of the grand jury to defend himself. He filed suit to have the Charlotte County Clerk of Court provide a transcript of that grand jury proceeding, only to be told no such record exists. He is seeking to have the court record transcribed at his own expense, with an in-camera review by the court. Douglas Weiler, representing Fox, argued grand jury proceedings are meant to remain secret and that granting Crowley's motion could wear away at grand jury security. This could set a bad precedent, a real slippery slope, Weiler argued. Weiler also criticized the grand juror who spoke to the Daily Sun in 2015 about what she felt was the prosecution's reluctance to pursue the case. He referred to her as a leaky grand juror who broke her oath and claimed she was not criminally charged for her disclosure due to her advanced age. The Daily Sun won a 2016 Pulitzer Prize for its coverage of the Matthew Walker death and its subsequent aftermath.